I'm JJ. I'm a service tech here at C3. I do most of the installs on our LCN 1250s along with all the training. I do the runoffs for the customers along with any sort of service work if I have to go on site, fix any problems that they're having or help with just doing training so they can run their machines better. The first thing I look for when I get on site with a customer is to make sure the machine is running properly, nothing is banging, crashing, anything like that. The biggest thing for customers to keep their machine running effectively would be preventative maintenance, I think. If you look at the last page in our manual, it goes over an entire PM schedule, and I think that's the best thing that they can do to keep that machine in tip-top shape. I started off as an electrician here at C3, and then based on my background as a generator technician in the Army, and then I have a electrical engineering technologies degree, that helped move me more into a service type role. I get a lot more hands-on, and I'm much better where I am here. The thing I enjoy most about being a service tech is I get to travel. I get to go around, see different places. I'm not just stuck in the shop doing one thing day after day. I get to do lots of different things. I get to be much more hands-on and interact with a lot more people. I work a lot with the electrical engineers, especially on a new machine for R&D, making sure that all the flaws are worked out. Everything in our manuals also lines up to how the machine operates, all the maintenance on that. I want to make sure that that machine's running as efficiently as possible. It's basically flawless.